Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Yes. Today learn presentation in the class. Yeah, fine. Thank you too. Okay, everyone. Today presentation in the class. Before presentation in the class, saya together basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yeah. Okay. Would you please member group Miftah, Agisa, Adinda, Nabila, and then the topic future tense and modal. Kenapa?
Mufti, ma'am, bukan Miftah.
Mufti bukan Miftah.
Oh, Mufti. Oh ya. Ini kacamatanya kurang tebel ya. Oke, Mufti. Mufti and then Agista and then Anida. Anda, sorry ya. Anida apa Anda nih?
Anida, ma'am.
Anida, oke. Okay. And after that, Nabila. Oke, okay, would you please view the topic future tense and the modal. Come on, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Who will respect Ma'am Rohima and friends who we care about. This morning, we group 5 would like to present about future tense and modals. To shorten the time, I invite the first reader, namely the Mufti.
Passage 1. Carol is sure that tomorrow will be a big day. She will wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. She never wakes up so early this year, so it's going to be a good start. She has already made a list of activities she is going to do tomorrow. First of all, she is going to do self-affirmation. Some say that self-affirmation will influence her day in a positive way. How will she do self-affirmation? Firstly, she will be grateful for what she has achieved. She will appreciate herself and focus on her strength. Thinking of other people's kindness will make her feel good. Then she will think of my goal that will motivate her to move forward. Self-affirmation will take about 30 minutes. Second, she is going to watch some videos about negative and positive thinking. She has prepared those videos which are about 1 hour and 30 minutes. Third, she is going to do yoga. She loves yoga. She has joined yoga class for 3 months. Finally, she will do her morning routine and go to work. Yay! It's going to be wonderful. Exercise 1. Direction. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb in the parentheses, based and the passage. Number 1. Carol is sure that tomorrow will be a big day. Number 2. She will up at 4 o'clock in the morning. Number 3. She is going to do self-affirmation. Some says that self-affirmation will influence her day in a positive way. Number 4. She will appreciate herself and focus on her strength. Number 5. She will think of her goal that will motivate her to move forward. Number 6. She is going to watch some videos about negative and positive thinking. Number 7. She is going to do yoga. She loves yoga. Number 8. She is going to do her morning routine and go to work. Simple future tense. Simple future tense is used to express an event that will occur in the future. adverb of time that are often used, namely tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, next week, next month, next year. Formula of simple future tense. Positive, subject plus shall or will plus verb 1 plus object plus adverb. Negative, subject plus shall or will plus not plus object plus adverb. Interrogative, shall or will plus subject plus verb 1 plus adverb. For example, positive, I will read novel next month. Negative, I won't write novel next month. Interrogative, will you read novel next month? Future continuous tense. Continuous tense is used to express an event that will happen or be done at certain time in the future. Explanation of the time used, for example, at 3 p.m. tomorrow. Formula of future continuous tense. Positive, subject plus will plus be plus ing plus object plus adverb. Negative, subject plus will plus not plus be plus ing plus object plus adverb. Interrogative, will plus subject plus be plus ing plus object plus adverb. For example, positive, she will be dining here at 9 p.m. tomorrow. Negative, she won't be dining here at 9 p.m. tomorrow. Interrogative, she won't be dining here at 9 p.m. tomorrow. Nabila.
Future perfect tense. Future perfect tense used to express an event that will be complete in the future. Adverbs of time that are often used usually. By this time next year, by the end of this year. From formula of future continuous tense. Plus subject plus will plus have plus verb 3 plus object plus adverb. Negative. Subject plus will plus not have plus verb 3 plus object plus adverb. Interrogative. Will plus subject plus have plus verb 3 plus object plus adverb. For example, positive. I will have written a novel by the time I read 30. Negative. I won't have written a novel by the time I reach 30. Interrogative. Will you have written a novel by the time you reach 30? Next. Future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense is used to express an action or event that has taken place sometime when another event occurred in the future. Adverb of time, yes, usually. By this time. Formula of future continuous tense plus subject plus will plus have plus been plus ing plus object plus adverb. Negative. Subject plus will plus not plus have plus been plus ing plus object plus adverb. Interrogative. Will plus subject plus have plus been plus ing plus object plus adverb. For example, positive, she will have been married for 3 years by the time I come home. Negative. She will not have been married for 3 years by the time I come home. Interrogative. Will she have been married for 3 years by the time I come home? Next. Exercise 2. Direction. Write about your activity tomorrow. I'm going to get up at 5 tomorrow morning. Then I'm going to take a bath. After that, I'm going to have a breakfast. Around 10 o'clock, I'm going to join to the online class. Later, I'm going to have a lunch. At 12 o'clock, next, I'm going to take a break and relax the time. A little later, then at night, 9 o'clock, I'm going to sleep. Next. Exercise 3. Direction. Complete the sentence. Use the simple future be going to and the giving expressions or your own words. 1. We need to buy some reference books. We are going to go to the bookstore. 2. I have a headache. I'm going to stay in bed today. 3. She is writing a composition. She doesn't know how to spell a word. She is going to look it up in my dictionary. 4. The student need to buy books. They are going to go to the bookstore. 5. It's a nice day today. Wendy and I am be going to talk a long walk in the park. 6. Chico and Nico want to go swimming. We are going to go to the beach. Next. Exercise 4. Direction. Use the future continuous. 1. Right now we are attending class. Yesterday at this time we were attending class. Tomorrow at this time we will be attending class. 2. Where is she going to be this evening? B. She will be working at the library on my recent paper. A. Shall be feeling bad about my decision. B. No, it is the best decision. Next.
Exercise 5. Direction. Fill in the correct form of the verb with the future continuous. Using will or be going to form of future as in the example. 1. My teacher will be receiving his MA degree at the ceremony next week. 2. Is Tom going to be visiting you today? 1. I going to be driving to Boston this weekend. Do you want to come along? 2. Is he going to be attending the conference next week? 3. Ruth and Anne will be getting out of class just as I arrive at the college. 4. I'm going to be freezing in Norway next week while you are sunbathing in Tahiti. 5. How many students going to not graduating next month? Next slide. Meaning of models. Model verb is a type of verb used to indicate a modality. Next. Formula of model. Summary chart. Model auxiliary and similar expression. Auxiliary meaning example. Can, ability, or possibility. She can sing beautifully. Polite request. Can you invite me to the group, please? Be cool. Best ability, I couldn't attend to the next meeting tonight. Polite request, could you help me to close the door, please? See, may possibility it might happen tomorrow. Polite request, may I help you? My possibility, it might rain tonight. Must necessity, you must study hard. Should advisability, you should take a rest at home. Will future happening. They will arrive at the airport on time. Shall future happening. We shall buy the ticket soon. Would polite request. You would mind to join in my group discussion. Be able to ability. I wasn't able to read the text carefully. We're going to future happening. Harry and William are going to discuss the lesson after the class. Ought to advisability. They ought to speak English in the class. Have to or has to necessity. We have to review the lesson next meeting. Had to. Best necessity. The student had to study last night. Next slide. Exercise 1. Direction all of these contain error in the form of model. Correct the error. One, the children can collecting the stick in the box. The children can collect the stick in the box. 2. Millie could read the wall text carefully. The answer? Millie should read the wall text carefully. 3. We may receive the bill later. We may receive the bill later. 4. Those students should to repair the computer soon. The student should repair the computer soon. 5. Shall we come to the party? Shall we come to the party? 6. Would you remove that mouse from this house? Could you remove that mouse from exercise 2? Direction complete the conversation. Begin the sentences with subject and operate model auxiliary based on the case. Use the expression in the list or your own word. A. My shoes have holes in the button. B. Buy a new pair of shoes. 2. A. What is the headline on the newspaper today? B. According to the law, a driver have a driver's license. 3. A. Did you finish the homework? B. I study harder to my homework last night, although I was tired. Next slide. 4. A. Why did our teacher come late yesterday? B. Our teacher come to the class on time because he had a crash. 5A. I want to improve my speaking skill in English. B. According to my teacher, we make new friends who speak English.
Exercise
Next
3.
move.
Direction. Work in small group. Make sentences with Salt and Solden. Share some of your answer with the class. Number 1. The teacher is giving a final exam. One student keeps looking at a paper under his exam paper. It has the news answer on it. Then the teacher Salt gives the student a failing grade from the class. Number 2, Susan is 60 years old. A boy in her class wants her to go to a dinner and a movie with him. This will be her first date. Her parents thought let her go to dinner only. Exercise 4. Direction. Complete the sentences with the word in parentheses. Use a form of have or has plus infinitive. Do plus verb base. Number 1. Raki can join us for lunch today. Why not? A. He has to work. B. Does he have to work tomorrow too? If he doesn't, maybe we should postpone the lunch until tomorrow. Number 2. A. What does she have to go to the library tomorrow? B. She has to find some data for the research paper. 3. A. It's almost 7:30. What time John and Brian have to leave for the airport? B. Around 8, they have to be at the airport at 9:15. Exercise 1.1. Direction. Add 2 where necessary. If 2 is not necessary, write X. Number 1. My brother can X play the guitar very well. Number 2. They have to pay or the tax every month. Number 3. You shouldn't drink 5 cups of coffee a day. Number 4. Jen might not to be there tomorrow. Number 5. What time are you going to arrive? Number 6. My classmates are able to speak English fluently. Number 7. My sister has read the text before the next week. Number 8. Is Darwin going to a brief meeting tomorrow? Number 9. May I use your telephone? Number 10. You had to go to the post office to send this letter. Nabila?
Exercise 1.2. Direction. Analyze the error of the following sentences. Record the error. 1. Called you to drive a car when you were 17 years old? The answer. Could you drive a car when you were 17 years old? 2. Would you please to help me? Would you please to help me? 3. He will can go to the library tomorrow. He will go to the library tomorrow. 4. My mother Golden opens the class door because she didn't have a key. The answer: my mother cannot opens the class door because she didn't have a key. 5. Please turn the television off. I cannot study for the exam. Please turn the
Salah.
television.
Studied.
Study.
Iya, bukan studied.
Mom.
Salah.
Study. Please
Yes.
turn the television off. I cannot study for the exam. Please turn the television off. I cannot study for the exam. 6. My friends was not able to call me yesterday. My
Bukan
friend
was. Salah. Was.
Oh, sorry, Miss.
Was. Bukan was. Kalau was mah mencuci. Wash. Ya.
Was.
Jadi was. Was itu to be. Ya.
My friends was not able calling me yesterday. 7.
Sakit. Wah ya. Perban gue sampai copot-copot begini. Duh.
Seven.
Nggak ada pemul.
Want to the campus.
Ngapain lo buka-buka kaca?
Have to want to the campus yesterday.
Astagfirullahaladzim.
8. We are going to Boston next year with our big family. The answer: we are going to Boston next year with our family. 9. If you want to take a book out of the school library, you have to have a library card. If you want to check a book out of the school library, you have to a library card. 10. The doctor give William a prescription according to the direction on the bottle. William must take on table every 6 hours. The doctor give William a prescription according to the direction on the bottle. William must on table every 6 hours. 11. The teacher must not to use their mobile phone during the class.
Bukan mobil, salah. Masa mobil bacanya? Their mobile phone during the class. The teachers must not to use their mobile phone during the class.
The teacher must not use their
Mobile
phone during the class. 12. I saw a bucket of beautiful flowers.
Buket. Bukan bucket.
Buket.
I saw a bouquet of beautiful flowers.
I saw a bouquet of beautiful flowers at flowers day, but I couldn't bouquet it.
But I could not. Bukan. I could not
book it. 13. Salma cannot go.
Cannot.
Salma cannot go to market 2 hours later. Salma cannot go to market 2 hours later. Next.
Hours, bukan horse, salah
Hour.
bacanya. Hours. Oh, hours.
Hours.
Iya.
14. May I please to borrowing your dictionary? The answer. May I please to borrow your dictionary? 15. We didn't able to get the tickets for the booming movie. We didn't able to get the ticket for the booming movie. Next, Agistia.
Exercise 1.3. Wait, me.
Fill in the blank with the correct.
The direction, fill in the blank with the correct form of the following modals. Can, could, be able to, may, might, shall, should, must, have to, don't have to. You might have to make the modals negative according to the context of the sentence. There might be more than one possibility. Example, he has to take his car to be serviced. The brake are quick.
Siap-siap.
Would you please save me a seat at the dinner event?
Iya. Ntar aku bisa ngelar ke sini.
If you are sick, you
Ngajar kelas
shouldn't
buaya.
go to work. You will infect everyone there.
Apa?
To driver must
Ada jurusan
stop
pariwisata.
at red light.
Baru kali prodi baru.
You can finish the proposal today. You can finish it tomorrow. For she must hear much better with her new hearing aid. 5. May I order us a bottle of wine? 6. Sam should pick his daughter up from
Ada ya? Pariwisata Apindo.
she is
Itu
taking
tempat anak saya.
the bus home.
Ada.
Next.
Ambil perhotelan. Di situ.
Apindo.
Bukan di
Next.
Apindo. Apa sih?
Anakku ngambil pariwisata. Di mana?
Apa sih namanya? SMK
must-
Paramita.
You must not smoke here.
Oh, universitasnya Apindo.
Building.
Kerjasama.
8. You must
Apindo
not
sama
eat so many
eh,
sweets.
Semi Paramita.
Apindo yang di sini.
Oh,
di
sih?
Malang.
Saya udah
Nine.
daftar situ,
Would
Lutfi.
you mind walking
Mahal.
a little
Gila,
faster?
di atas 10 juta
We are going to be
Apa
late.
itunya?
bayarannya.
Bayaran
I'm
Mm-mm,
sorry,
tapi
I
naik ke
can't.
Australia.
I don't know
Itunya.
how
Iya,
to do it.
semester di atas 10 juta.
iya, mahal banget.
Next.
Cuma D3,
D3.
enggak D4.
Ya, namanya
Next,
Jakarta
Mufti.
Mending, Apindo kan.
Nah, tapi katanya mau dibuka D4-nya S1. D4 itu sama aja S1. Mendingan ke Sahid sekalian.
Tidak.
Enggak, ada yang murah di Pasar Jumat. Iya, sebelum UIN.